Hello, today I'm in Opel Vivaro. In this video I'll show you how to pair smartphone with car via Bluetooth. In order to pair smartphone with car via Bluetooth, take a look at the screen display. Now go to Phone, Options, Bluetooth connection, Search, and make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. Select your smartphone on the list. Confirm both on smartphone and on the screen. Now select Profiles, telephone streaming or mobile internet data. And it's done. Your smartphone is now connected. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.